5 coins. Please deposit. Thank you for depositing 5 coins.
I want to tell you something.
Hello? I wanted to record a message for you to help you get settled in on your first night. I actually worked in that office before you. I'm finishing up my last week now, as a matter of fact, so I know it can be a bit overwhelming, but I can tell you there's nothing to worry about. You'll do fine. So let's just focus on getting you through your first week, okay? Let's see. First, there's an introductory greeting from the company that I'm supposed to read. It's kind of a legal thing, you know.
Thank you for
Welcome to Freddy
depositing
Fazbear's
5
Pizza.
coins. Please deposit 5 coins. Thank you for depositing 5 coins.
Excuse me.
Please deposit 5 coins. Thank you for depositing 5 coins.